All right, want to blast it off?
Give him 10 seconds to walk away before the dog can get scared.
Okay. Also, I've been having my camera on since you said that. No, I want you to do it because I want to record it, yeah. Okay. All right. Very nice rocket with low wind, unless there's a gust here, which I don't think so. 3, 2, 1. Pop.
There he goes.
I can see the nice wadding coming out. That's not going to be a problem. He falls very slow, no spin, and a nice catch, and a nice first launch for our custom Halloween rocket. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's... No, I'll try, but I'm trying to record. Go. Fire. There we go. Give it a try.